What's going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Bbig stock or Vinco Ventures. Vinco Shrinko to some extent at this point. I'll try to keep the update for you guys short. Drop a like on the video if you guys enjoy this content. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. If you want all my buy and sell alerts, you can find it using the first link in the description. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so here we're on Market Cypher looking at the weekly candles. What we're going to be looking for is the next green dot on that weekly chart. That'll be our green means go buy signal. Now, we did get that back here in January, and it was really such a fake out signal. It was looking like we were due for a multi-week, multi-month run in Bbig. Obviously the market said, nah, we're gonna take you down with me. Also, that 50 million share dilution from the exercising of warrants also took this thing down. So the next thing we have to look for is that weekly green dot. If we move into the 5-day chart, you guys can see it's slightly closer to that VWAP crossover, which would print that green dot. 3-day chart is even closer. 2-day chart even closer, printing that green dot. So it's definitely looking like we are close to getting that weekly green dot. It's going to play out over the next few weeks, obviously, but that is what we're looking like as of right now. Daily chart is also looking good. We got a nice green candle today with today's 4.67% move. We also got a green dot there on the daily chart as well. It's reminding me of this period back here before we ran in January. There's a few fake outs, right? But eventually it does run like crazy. I mean, this stock jumped about 300% in just a few days over there in January. 4-hour chart is looking very, very good. This red money flow is curving down and pointing up, meaning that we could be forming an uptrend. It means we also could have bottomed. There was also some slight bullish divergence right here on Market Cypher, so that's another good thing right there. We're also seeing, if we zoom in, that we crossed over into the positive right there in terms of the momentum, and this is the first time we've been in the positive since February, middle of February. So it's been almost a month since we've had momentum that we're seeing right now in Bbig stock. 1-hour chart is also showing, although we've gotten 3 red dots there, it's continuing to uptrend, and we're still uptrending here in after hours at 225 right now. It's showing the end of the red money flow to some extent. It's still under red money flow right now, but it is showing it curling off, which is another good sign right there. Overall, this chart does appear like we are bottoming out. It bounced off 195, which is the lower support level that we got all the way back here in April of 2021, and it looks like we're moving back up. Most of the indicators appear like we are pointing bullish, so we'll see what happens leading up into that 4/14 options expiration, where there's just a ton of open interest. I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Moomoo, licensed FINRA broker that does absolutely zero payment for order flow. Y'all know the drill. All you gotta do is click the link in the description or pinned comment section, deposit $1 on their platform. You get up to $7,000 in free stock. You also get a free share of NEO, which is going for about $19 per share. 19x, boom, on your money instantly with a $1 deposit. Anyways, guys, this promotion's absolutely insane. No other broker is doing it quite like Moomoo is right now. You can find the promotion with the second link in the description or first link in the pinned comment section. And with that being said, let's get right back into the video. Not too much to go over here in the Ortex data. Short interest actually increased again. They're back up to 31 million shares being shorted. That puts us at 18% short interest. There's 39.59 million shares on loan, so in excess of about 8 million shares on loan somehow. Honestly, it's pretty crazy how that happened. Not too long ago, about a week ago, they were about the same. Now they've got an excess of 8 million shares. It allows for monkey business here in this Ortex data. We don't know if they're being borrowed and shorted, if they're just being borrowed to mess with the data, if they're trying to have an influx of returns shares to screw with everything. We just don't know. Moving into the unusual whales flow, there were 2 bets over 10K premium today. One of them was this multi-leg strategy put option right here. The other one was a $4 call option expiring 12/16. It's 50-50 bearish bullish. You can see from the premium right there. The historical flow was at another low level right here. Again, guys, history suggests that when this call volume is very, very low, it leads to a call option volume spike, potentially before that 414 options expiration. It's interesting seeing that the highest open interest increase by percent are in these 429 contracts for the $4, $3.50, and $3 calls. Super interesting. It's still not crazy open interest. It's less than 1,000, but the fact that the 429s are seeing some increases in open interest makes me think that some monkey business is going to happen leading up to 414. We also saw this really extremely weird, extremely bullish open interest increase in the $10 414 expiration right there. Now this is from probably a straddle of a call and a put option, but over 5,000 contracts were increased at that level. Max paid for 318. Again, it's at $2.50, showing that there is some upside leading into the expiration in 2 days right there. And 414, it's also at $2.50. Gamma exposure, again, guys, absolutely crazy. It looks like the net gamma is back there on that $5 strike price. Absolute insane Mario Kart booster pads at the $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, and $5 levels. And again, how this gamma exposure works is that once you cross that $2 level, that $2.50 level, that $3 level, it acts as a booster pad to the price action, both to the up and downside. So while the price is climbing, it'll go like this, go over that $2 level, go whoop, right? Then the same thing here, go over that 250 level, whoop, right? Okay, you get the point, right? But it also happens on the downside, which is why you can see insane movements up and down in this stock. Anyways, that's about it for the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. It looks good. It looks like we're bottoming out. No promises, not financial advice. You guys know the deal. It's just my personal opinions. I'm looking forward to 414. It's going to be a crazy month. And I promise you guys, yes, I did quit my live streams for the time being, my market open live streams. But if BBIG starts moving, you can bet that I'll be there on live stream telling you guys the moves, telling you guys the plays. So look out for that in the future. Like the video if you guys have not already. Highly appreciate all the likes. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Hit that post notification bell so you never miss a beat, never miss the timely information presented to you guys on this channel. And if you want up to $7,000 in free stock, as long as you deposit $1 on their platform, you can check out Moomoo using that second link in the description or first link in the pinned comment section. Again, all you got to do is deposit $1. You also get a free share of Neo. And if you want all of Hootmoney trade alerts, VIP Discord, you can check that out using the first link in the description down below. That's about it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.